Herkese selam arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle Bitcoin, Ethereum ve altcoin'ler hakkında konuşacağız. Altcoin olarak özellikle TERRA Luna hakkında konuşmak istiyorum. Şu an bence yatırım yapılması gerekebilen bir coin diye düşünüyorum. Çünkü yakın zamanda %50'ye yakın bir artış bekliyorum TERRA Luna'da. O yüzden ilk başta isterseniz Bitcoin'le başlayalım arkadaşlar. Bitcoin'de çünkü en önemli altcoin yorum yapabileceğimiz belirteç diyebilirim Bitcoin için. Çünkü herhangi bir altcoin hakkında yorum yapabilmek için arkadaşlar Bitcoin'in hareketlerini detaylıca incelememiz gerekiyor. Çünkü Bitcoin artarsa bütün altcoin'ler artıyor. Bitcoin düşerse de bütün altcoin'ler düşüyor. Tabii USDT ve USDC haricinde diyebilirim. Her neyse arkadaşlar, Bitcoin şu an gördüğünüz gibi çok kritik bir seviyede, çok fazla dirence yaklaşıyoruz. Ama geçen hafta gördüğünüz gibi %27'lik bir değer kazandık. Aslında bu çok güzel bir şey. Boğa sezonunu, yani yukarı long pozisyon açan insanlar için. Ama ben bu pozisyonlarda long pozisyon açmadım. Hatta birkaç yerde short pozisyon açtım ve kaybettim. Sıkıntı yok. Şu an hatta daha büyük bir short pozisyon açtım. Çünkü artık düşüşün yaklaştığını düşünüyorum ben kendi açımdan. Çünkü teknik analiz kuralları, RSI, şekiller, tablo okuma gibi etkenler bize grafiğin artık düşeceğini gösteriyor arkadaşlar. Ayrıca size bir trend çizgisi hakkından bahsetmek istiyorum arkadaşlar. Gördüğünüz gibi 2021'den beri, 2021 Eylül'den beri olan trend çizgimiz 4 farklı yerde grafiğimize destek ve direnç olmuş durumda. Ve şu an o trend çizgisine de çok yaklaşmış durumdayız. O yüzden bunu da bir işaret olarak algılayabiliriz diye düşünüyorum ben. Ayrıca bu gri çizgiyi kanalı takip eden arkadaşlar zaten biliyordur arkadaşlar. Bu gri çizginin üzerindeysek boğa sezonundayız, altındaysak ayı sezonundayız diyebilirim ben. Bu arada söylemişken arkadaşlar, eğer kanala abone olmadıysanız kanala abone olup videoya like atmayı da unutmayın. Aynı zamanda günlük analiz videolarından da çanı açarak haberdar olabilirsiniz. Her neyse, şimdi tekrar grafiğe bakarsak arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi 2 haftadır yükseliş yaşadığımız bu pump'ın artık hedefini tutturduğumuzu söyleyebiliriz. Çünkü pump'ın hedefini çizersek arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi tam hedef seviyesindeyiz. Ve artık düşüş zamanı geldi diye düşünüyorum ben.
Down in price right now. You can also see what's going on, for example, in the S&P 500, just where it's concerned with Bitcoin. That's also been rallying, and we may be making our way up to potentially 4660 or something like that on the S&P 500. I think that now is going to be seeing a downward move in the next 24 hours or so, volumes decreasing there as well. So Bitcoin is in a place right now where you don't want to be going long because we're at a key resistance point. You don't want to be that person selling into the resistance. I will turn bullish on Bitcoin if and when, because it will at some point, but I don't believe it's happening in this cycle of the chart. But only if we break above, let's say, 50,000 and hold it convincingly. I mean, even, guys, if we hold above 48,000 and hold it convincingly for a couple of days, stay there, and then volume starts increasing, that will change my sentiment on the market right now for Bitcoin. So that's what I'm currently seeing, and I will be shorting all the way down over to approximately down at 38,000. It's a big move, guys, about 20% move, guys. So we're going to look at Ethereum, and then I'm going to show you my favorite altcoin, a great opportunity right now, which is Luna. Very quick mention though, guys, if you're trading on Bybit, or even if you're not, use the link in the video description below, because there is a free competition to enter on Bybit where there is a prize pool of $300,000. Now, this is how the competition works. You can use the link in the video description. You will get a bonus using my link as well if you're a new account holder. If not, you can still use that link and register for the competition. The top winner is expected to win 40 grand. Okay, you have to be a great trader to come first, but if you finish even within the first 10,000 participants, we're going to unlock 200,000 of the prize pool. And even if you come 999th, you can win $50. So it's a bit of fun. You can see your rank, see if you can beat me. It'll be a bit of fun, and I'll be updating people on my Twitter how that competition's going. So yeah, let's look at the Ethereum price. Ethereum right now, similar to Bitcoin in the sense where we're coming into a major resistance level. We're actually at a monthly level here for the Ethereum price, which is $3,450. You can see that there's a potential rejection here. We've just had a wick. There is another point of resistance not a lot of people are talking about. I haven't seen any crypto YouTubers really talking about this resistance line, but it's a very real one. It's this one that goes from here to here, and then I'll sort of show you in more detail. You could even say it's here and neaten it up a little bit, but ultimately it's this resistance level, guys. So obviously resistance here, resistance here. I'll zoom in a bit so you can see it. Resistance along here, support, 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 So it's a very, very significant line of support resistance. So we might see Ethereum make it up to around 3,550. However, I think, like Bitcoin, you can see the RSI has gone particularly high. I think that's going to be all she wrote for this cycle. You can see if you run a fib level from this previous peak to the low peak, we are on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. You could obviously take the fib level from a bit higher, from this swing high, and like I say, you're probably going to run into resistance here. I don't think we'll make it up to the golden pocket in this downward move, in this bear cycle that we're moving on. So my trade basically for Ethereum would be down to this monthly level initially around $2,700, and that allows great opportunities right now in stable coins. And my favorite stable coin right now, guys, is Luna. In fact, with Luna, I don't only hold Luna, but I have UST, which is the stable coin of Luna. Where is it on my chart? Let's find Luna. Here we go. So what we can currently see is this big cup and handle pattern, or you could call it an inverse head and shoulders pattern. You've got something like this. Obviously it's not a perfect one, but it is a bullish pattern. The key thing is, just about half an hour ago, we have broken this line, this trend line of $100. That's important because that is the level needed to break to get the volume in. And as you can see on this 4 hour, you can see the volume has been increasing. So if we can hold above $100 on the daily, on this daily candle, in fact, let's see it on this daily chart for Luna, the target out of this is going to be massive. So far, so good. I've taken a little long position on Luna so far over on Bybit, but I haven't gone all in yet. And you only want to do that once you've had a daily candle and we've seen some volume coming in. So over on Bybit, you can trade Luna, as you can see, derivative, so you can trade it on leverage for huge gains, but be careful trading on leverage, guys. It's for experienced traders only. Of course, I have a Bybit for beginners video. You can check that out here. And we have the Marzel Trading Academy, where myself and my coaches teach on Discord for beginners to intermediates. You can learn the whole basics of trading from start till finish, and you can learn in your own time on Discord, on your phone or on your computer. And yeah, Bybit, once again, $3,000 bonus if you use this link in the video description, and you will also enter that competition. Why not? It's for fun, it's for free, and you could win a huge amount of money, guys. So things are looking very, very bullish right now. This, by the way, is the Ethereum trend line chart. You can see it really is the last level of resistance. So if Bitcoin breaks above 3,550, holds it on the day, I switch to bullish. That's a bullish sentiment. If Bitcoin, on the other hand, holds above 48,000 for a couple of days, I will turn bullish. Happy to change the sentiment, but right now I'm shorting. And leave your comments below to let me know if you agree or if you don't agree, which is also absolutely fine. There is, of course, other fundamentals going on which don't help the crypto market right now, guys, which of course is high inflation. Inflation has been increasing over the last 6 to 12 months. It's running at about 8%, and that's only going to increase. The Federal Reserve are going to be increasing interest rates. When they raise rates, risk assets like Bitcoin, of course, tech stocks, overvalued stocks, your Teslas, your Zooms, your Pelotons of this world do struggle in that environment, and people tend to go for safe haven assets like gold, like commodities. Yes, Bitcoin is, in my opinion, like gold in the sense that, you know, it's scarce, it's divisible, and it's a great form of an inflation hedge. But I believe that's more in the long term of Bitcoin. In this short term, over the next few months, that will not have enough bearing to keep Bitcoin above these sort of levels where it's trading now, I believe. So, like I said, huge opportunity to short the market. When you make a short, you're basically betting on the price going down, of course, and that means you can then use that profits when you take profit when the price has fallen, and you can buy Bitcoin back cheaper. That's one way of creating wealth through crypto. It's like wealth cycles. So yeah, guys, when I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm on Twitter at MarzelMoney. Don't forget, Bybit bonus down below. Thank you for joining me. Check out any one of these videos before you go. You may be interested to check out my Bitcoin 2022 outlook or my Ethereum 2022 outlook.
Her neyse arkadaşlar, video izlediğiniz için gerçekten çok teşekkür ederim. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere. Görüşürüz. Bay bay.